Hello guys, Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on the Moomoo app. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we have our Moomoo, we have our overview, we have US, we have Singapore, we have funds, we have ETF, we also have options, and we also have crypto. So I'm going to show you an overview on how it would look like when you're going to buy stocks on the Moomoo app. If you're a Singaporean citizen, you're in luck because this is how it would look like. So basically here in your accounts, there's going to be assets right here. So in your assets, you can press your quick trade right here in your account. And then right here, you will have your US margin account. You can enter the symbol name by searching it and order type, and then you can place your entry price and your enter quantity. So from there, you can buy and sell. Next, we also have our quotes right here. So we can go to a detailed quote by looking here in the market. So let's just say we want to buy in crypto. For example, we want to do Bitcoin. There's going to be a quote right here for trading. So press the trade button in the bottom left corner as stated right here. So from there, you will have to go to the trade part. So here's the trading part. So here you have your US margin account again. And then here you want to select the order type if you want to go for market, limit, or those. So you have your price, you have your quantity, amount, and the time in force, session, and attach order. So you can do a buy and sell doing that. So that is how you buy stocks here in Moomoo app. It's pretty simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.